Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I wanted to bring you something a little bit fun. I purchased 8 of these rainbow fun eggs. No, they're not. They're Run fun eggs. They are super cute and adorable. They have the little feet, they have the body, and then they have the little baseball cap, which I think is cool. Everything moves. So if you wanted the baseball cap to the back, you can. You want to move the feet, you can. So I just think they're super fun. I have never seen these before and I decided to pick them up. You can, if you so wish to, purchase these at Pound Stretchers. They're 90p. I'd noticed a lot of the other little fun eggs had gone up to a really high price, 125, 150, and I was going to leave and I saw these just at the checkout and I thought, how fun would they be? I bought every color that they had. So this is every color that they have. I also thought it would be fun to buy 2 of each to see if we get the same stuff in. We could actually get the same stuff in all of it. But I just thought it would be fun to see if we could buy 2 of the same color to see if we got something different. I was just checking what it says at the top. But not a whole lot. So what I actually also think is very funny, that every other color of egg has the same color baseball cap, but the pink egg doesn't have a pink baseball cap or feet. I thought that was quite funny. Anyway, so we're going to get started by opening. I don't even know how these open and I don't want to break them. Oh, you can remove the hat. That is pretty awesome. And you can remove the feet and it will also stand. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me give you a better, oh, my camera just came out. So sorry for the shakiness, but I'm going to try and pop you down so you get a bit of a better view. So the feet also come out, but we're not really interested in all of that, are we? We are interested in getting inside these little monsters. Okay. Oh, let me get a pair of scissors. I'm going to need something to help me open. I'll be right back. Okay, so first one is opened. Almost. Okay, and what I really like about this is even without the wrapper, you do get a smiley face and you can make your own little smiley face egg guy. These are really fun. So far so good. For 90p, I think I'm having a good time. Let's see what we get inside. Let's see. Oh, okay, so inside, you get a number of things, which I think is really cute. The first thing, oh my gosh, you're getting Santa. Like, no. These are more like for Easter. Why are you putting Santa jigsaw puzzles? That is such a loss. But you get a... These already are a little depressing. You get a little sick emoji sticker. Not good. You do get a fun pop lolly, a little miniature, which I think is pretty nice. Okay, and you're getting a little bit of dough. And you're getting a little heart and a K cut out. So far so good. Kind of happy with that one. I am so not happy with this garbage. After Christmas, these things should never appear in anything, so I'm going to discard those and get rid. Let's now have a look at our second egg. And I am so hoping that we don't get the same thing, but it looks like we might. Let's have a look. Okay, we get a bent lollipop. We'll straighten that out. We get another Christmas, so sad, Christmas jigsaw, which we're going to dump. We get a different color Play-Doh. We get a, let's see what's inside here. I'm glad that we got something different. I'm so disappointed in this garbage. But I am going to donate all of these, but I won't put these little things in. I will find something else that I can pop inside the little egg. But we have this teal dough. The dough is really super nice and soft, so it hasn't been sitting there for a long time and has got stiff. Oh, we have a sleepy emoji. I love the little night hat. It's super cute. And inside this one, we have a we have an oval, and we have a foot. So that's pretty awesome. I'm really, really glad that we haven't. I'm really, really glad that we didn't get a duplicate there. And I'm just going to pop the lid on our little Mr. Egg. And I will pop a lid on this Mr. Egg. Perfect. And I will find something nice and small to pop inside those eggs to replace this silly garbage. Let's move on to our yellow. And let's open up. Outside of that, those silly jigsaws, and I mean the jigsaws aren't even fully pulled apart. They're just garbage. Outside of those, I mean, I'm liking these so far. Inside, first Mr. Yellow. Again, another silly jigsaw. Not interested. We have our traditional lolly. We have some Play-Doh. We have a number 2. We have a number 2. We have a number 5. If you wanted to cut out 25 or 52. And then we have a little sticker inside. And this is another little, oh, I have an idea emoji. So I like that. That's fun. What did we get in our second yellow one? I did not even open that. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. What did we get? Okay. We got our lolly. Santa jigsaw, which I'm just discarding immediately. Some green dough. I was going to say we didn't get 2 cutters in this one, only 1. We got a Z or a Z. We got a number 4. And then we got a little, a flamenco dancer. A little dancing girl. Sticker. Stickers are always good. So I think halfway there, I think we're doing pretty good. We're just going to maybe move our little open guys back and move our other ones forward. Okay, let's go for our blue, and we will leave pink to the end. Just because they didn't put the pink hat on, which I would have liked just for consistency. So let's open both of these while we're waiting. We'll go ahead and just unwrap them. So we'll take our first one back, and what do we get inside? I have got a lot of actual garbage here. We will get rid of that. But what did we get? What did we get? What did we get? Ooh, we got another stupid Santa jigsaw. It's not Christmas. I do not want to see Santa anything. We got our lolly. Same lolly. We got the same dough. We got a little oval. We got a 4. And we got the sleeping emoji sticker. So this one to me looks like a total duplicate outside of potentially this stupid absolute garbage jigsaw. I mean, these jigsaws are just, they're awful. They don't pull apart very easily. They have already ripped. They're just terrible, terrible quality. And I'm really disappointed to see something that looks a little Easterish. I mean, I would associate the eggs with Easter. Maybe if I was in the shop, I would have been picking these up as an Easter treat and having Christmas stuff inside it. That to me just sounds very weird. Again, another lolly, our dough. We have a little G here. And another stupid Christmas, puzzle. We have the number 3, and we have a different sticker, which is nice. A little angel sticker, which is lovely. Then our last 2 are the pink, and I am just going to get them opened and we can have a look. So I think the bottom line with these little eggs are they're not Easter related, which is a real shame because Christmas was quite some time ago. And these eggs were right at the front. Maybe product placement, I'm not sure, but they were right at the front, almost giving me the impression that they were Easter related. And I guess they still could be. We just need to take this garbage out and put something else inside. I mean, I think I might get some of the little eggs that you can get, the little mini eggs, and pop some of those inside. I think that would be a real treat, but am I going to be surprised about what's inside? Probably not. Let's have a look. Again, we have another, this one's actually quite cute, but it's still garbage. It's not Christmas. I don't want to see these in, I don't want to see these things after Christmas. I mean, come on. But we have yellow dough this time, which is nice to see something a little different. We have a moon, half moon, which is lovely. We have a J. I don't know how they go together, but they're there. We have a little, oh, I just threw everything out. We have our standard lollipop. And then we have a little sticker, which is super cute. This looks like a teddy bear to me. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. And then the last one. I mean, honestly, I really don't have high hopes for these at all. I'm so disappointed. I'm so excited that we would have a little bit of fun and just open some childish little toys. I'm really a little disappointed with these, that we have Christmas garbage in them when we're so far past Christmas. So that's so sad. I am going to repurpose these. I am going to donate them, but I am going to make them so much better than they currently are. And when they're donated, some little child will hopefully open these and be happy and surprised. But again, am I really surprised there is more Christmas garbage? Really, I'm not. So, yellow dough, number 4, Z, nothing spectacular. But I do like our little dolphin sticker, so that's pretty awesome. Well, guys, overall, I still think they are a little bit of fun. I mean, they're pretty standard. You get the standard stuff. Outside maybe the stickers, I don't know. I think we had one duplicate sticker, so that's not too bad. I'm seriously, sorry guys, I just hit the camera. I'm seriously gutted that they put these in to these eggs and then had them still there on sale at normal price after Christmas, given that Easter is almost upon us. This was very, very sad. So I'm so disappointed with all this Christmas garbage. I am going to get rid of this Christmas garbage. It is going to go straight in the trash. But as far as the little eggs go, I mean, I think those little eggs are super good. I mean, they're cute for 90p. They're adorable. And I like the fact that they've gone the little extra mile to make sure that even without the wrapper, there is a little smiley face. These will be so much better when I have packed and stacked them with other things. I will tape the sides to make sure that they stay on and are fully sealed. And then I will donate them because they will be fun for someone. Oh, that was not safe at all. I'm just going to pop that down so it doesn't go through the eye again. But all in all, worth 90p? Probably. It would have been better not to have this garbage in, but I'm just over it. I'm not going to talk about that anymore. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I thought it was fun. I hope you guys thought it was fun. And if you did, smash that like button. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. And if you guys are interested in being notified of any of my future videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Guys, if you would possibly like and share this video with all of your friends and family, I would be so very, very grateful. But in the interim, I'm going to say, I hope you guys have the most wonderful day. Please stay safe. Please be kind to each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.